Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I will give you detailed information about Aweber free trial plan. Email marketing campaigns will improve your sales conversions. To run an effective email campaign, you will need an email marketing tool. Aweber is one of the best email marketing platforms that will help you grow your business through email marketing tools. The best part is that you can start with Aweber free trial plan if you are just starting with email marketing. Let's start with the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video.
Here we go. We are already on the Aweber website. So first, let's go through the pricing of this tool. So they have two different plans. The first one is a free plan and the second one is a pro plan. That one is a paid plan. Now this pro plan is divided into 5 different categories based on the number of subscribers you have. So let's see, if you have 0 to 500 subscribers, then it will be around $16.15 per month when it is charged annually. When you will be charged monthly, it will be $19 per month. Now if you have 501 to 2500 subscribers, then it will be $29 per month and it will be charged monthly. Okay, so you can see different plans here based on the number of subscribers you have. Now if you are starting with the email marketing, then I'll suggest you to go with the free plans first. In the free plan, you will see you can have up to 500 subscribers and you can send up to 3000 emails per month. So let's consider you have 500 subscribers, then you can send up to 6 emails per month to all these subscribers. Now definitely there are some limitations to the free plan, and you can see here you can send unlimited emails to your email list, and you can have unlimited list profiles under paid plan. Now you can see other restrictions are there for the free plan, but if it is a new start, then you can definitely go with the free plan. Let's see how you can sign up for the free plan. You can go to the website, enter your first name, last name and email address and click on sign up. Then they will send you an email to your email address. You just need to go to your email and verify the link, and it will create your account. Once you log into your account, you will see the account like this. All right, you can see your dashboard. Now here you will see the list of subscribers you have. Now to increase the subscribers, you need to collect email address and the name of your website visitors. So you will need to put some sign up forms on the website, or you can have landing pages. Now they have also included a web push feature where someone enters your website, they will be asked to send a notification. Now how you can create sign up form. You can go to subscriber. Here you will see create a sign up form. You can click on it, it will show you. This is a dummy form. You can click on it, it will show how the form is. This is a sign up form generator. Okay, the form will be generated. You can select a template. So there are different templates you can use for the free also. Click on, let's see how this will look. You can see name, email, submit. So this is how it will look. They will give you a single code. You can put the code on your website and it will show the sign up form on your website. Now they also have landing pages. You can click on it. So in this you can have a landing page just like this. This is just like a drag and drop kind of website you can have. So at the end you see this name, email and sign up form. So this is how you can collect email addresses on your website. So I think if you're starting with the email marketing, then go for the free plan. It's a good one. Now what are the alternatives to Aweber? I guess MailChimp is one of the best alternative to Aweber. In MailChimp you can have up to 2000 subscribers in the free plan, and you can send up to 10,000 email addresses per month. So you can check my other video about MailChimp free trial also. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.